Today I am at 249 West Alexander Palm Way in the very prestigious Royal Palm Yacht and Country Club. As you'll see, I am standing right in front of the dock on the Intercoastal. This is an amazing waterfront estate. Not brand new, but very new. Here you can see the outdoor kitchen, lanai, amazing pool, and of course the waterfront. This property is on the market for 18.886 million. It's got over 8,000 square feet of living space, 6 bedrooms and 8 baths, I think. It's over the top in every way, but probably not the most expensive home in this enclave, which is one of the most expensive in Boca. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful tile, if you can see, travertine. It's a treat. Oh, and here's the fireplace. Yeah. This is your view. Enjoy.